Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable pumpkin deco mesh wreath with items purchased at Dollar Tree. What you will need, I have my wreath form, and this is actually in the shape of a pumpkin. I thought it was so precious. I have chenille stems, and then I have deco mesh, orange and green. You will also need scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is take 2 rows of your orange deco mesh, layer them one on top of the other, and fold the end to a nice point. Then you're going to place it on your form and use 1/4 of a chenille stem. So I cut a chenille stem in half and then in half again. And then I'm going to twist it in place and then tuck away the end. Just like that. I'm going to unravel the mesh because it makes the process a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do after I have attached my deco mesh, I'm going to pull to make a nice poof, skip the very next section, and go to the following section. So I'm going to alternate skipping one section every other time. So I'm going to make another poof, skip the very next section, and go on to the next section. Now, if you choose, you can definitely go from one section to the next, but I thought it would look cuter doing it this way. So I'm going to do that once more. And then for the last section, I don't have the option of skipping, so I'm just going to go directly to the last section and attach my chenille stem. Once I do that, I'm going to bring my mesh back across the same way, skip a section, and attach it to the very next section. And this actually works out because this is going to help stagger my poofs. And this is what it looks like coming across 2 times. As you can see, I'm alternating each section until I get to the very end. Just like that. And then when I come back, I'm going to continue doing the same thing all the way across the wreath form. Alright, so I want to show you the end one more time. I attach my chenille stem, twist it and tuck it away. And then I'm going to bring my mesh around and skip that first section and go to the very next section and attach another chenille stem. And since I'm coming towards the end of my mesh, I'm going to just cut away that mesh and start over again. And I'm just pulling all of my poofs down. That's 2 rows, and then the other 2 rows should finish off this wreath. So again, I'm pulling to make a nice point, taking my chenille stem and twisting it on the exact same section that I left off on. That way, once the wreath is complete, you can't tell where it starts and where it stops. Alright, I'm going to finish adding the mesh and show you what it's looking like. Alright, almost done. So for the very top, what I'm going to do is take my mesh and make a larger poof all the way to the center, right at the stem of the pumpkin. Attach a stem, twist it and tuck it away. And then I'm actually going to make a tiny poof, attaching the other end of the pumpkin stalk. Just like that, just to give it a little detail at the top. Attach another stem, twist it, and tuck it away. And then make one more larger poof all the way to the other end of the pumpkin. Attach a stem, twist and tuck it away, and then cut away the excess mesh. And just tuck away what's left over. You won't be able to see it. Yep, just tuck it inside. Just like that. Now we are going to add our stock to our pumpkin. I have taken 8-inch long pieces of my green deco mesh and I'm going to curl it at a diagonal to make a nice point. And I'm going to use 4 or 5 pieces. You can make it as large or as small as you prefer. Take a chenille stem, twist it all together, and then attach it to the top of your pumpkin. You can use longer mesh if you choose, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to do, and all items were purchased at Dollar Tree. So you can make this pumpkin deco mesh wreath for less than $10.